Hello, my wonderful biology class. Happy Monday. All right, so if you have clicked into the Biology Bitmoji classroom, you are doing everything the right way. So if you notice, the first thing that you should do is check in for attendance, and that is going to be on Google Classroom. But first, we're going to read the rest of the assignments. Okay, the Monday video, that's what this is. And then you're going to go ahead and do the Monday assignment. And it says, how do I affect the environment? And that's a Google Doc on Google Classroom. All right, so it looks like everything is actually listed on Google Classroom this week. It's going to be in order when you click into Classroom. Your Do Now will be on the top. I have not posted it yet. But if you notice, under Classwork, I have a scheduled assignment for you, which will also post tomorrow morning. All right, I'm actually going to read the assignment for you. All right, imagine it is a typical day of in-person school. Write a list of activities you do during the day. For example, use the bathroom, brush your teeth, take the bus, all up until the end of the day when you go to sleep. Okay? It doesn't have to be super detailed, but I would say use at least 10 activities from your day. When it says next to each activity, write how the activity positively or negatively affects the environment. You're going to click Turn In when done. We will discuss your lists on Wednesday when I see you guys in person. And by in person, I mean virtually on the screen. Okay? So, when I say how something positively or negatively affects the environment, so if, for example, I talk about using the bathroom or brushing my teeth, when I use the bathroom, like, I have to flush the toilet, right? And get all the gross stuff out. Plus, flushing the toilet, because there's paper and, your gross stuff, that goes into landfills and dumps, and it's stinky, and we don't really have a great way to dispose of that stuff yet. And sometimes that is also bad for the environment. Okay? Also, if I'm flushing the toilet or brushing my teeth, I have to use what? Water, right? So remember that water is one of those things that is kind of a limited supply. So if I wanted to brush my teeth, make sure that you might be limiting your water usage. You shouldn't be having gallons and gallons and gallons of water in the sink when you're just brushing your teeth. So really quickly, wet your brush, turn the sink off, brush your teeth, rinse your brush, and be done. Okay, so that might negatively or positively affect the environment depending on how much water you're using when you're using the bathroom, or the amount of toilet paper you use and all that stuff. So you're gonna list your 10 things. You're gonna tell me how it positively or negatively affects the environment, and then the big thing after you're done listing your stuff. So here's my 1, whatever that is, my 2, whatever that is, my 3, all that stuff. Instead of click share here, it's going to say turn in. Okay? Don't forget to check your do now for Monday, which will post on the top. All right, I will see you guys on Wednesday.